Regular blackouts and the subsequent use of diesel fuel generators to provide backup power can significantly increase the operating cost for running switchboard for the telecommunication company. Megapower contracted by the Palestinian Telecom PALTEL to provide off-grid solar system for the switchboard. We have installed an off-grid system for 44 switchboard. Solar power is an effective and cheap option for telecommunication companies to keep their essential business sites running all the time, ensuring customer satisfaction and keeping people connected, especially in an emergency. Megapower offers creative solutions for businesses to benefit from solar power and help them to reduce the running cost and overcome the distribution caused by blackouts.